and also with entertainment. So I'm going to take you through some of those things. Go to my email. Now, we did a big update that hopefully many of you got in February for the mail client. We added all kinds of new capabilities, and we've been improving it ever since. What I'm going to show you here are some of the capabilities that help you really manage your inbox content and the innovations we're putting in when we release. This isn't in your preview build, but it will be there in the fall when we come out. So right away, I have what's called the power pane here on the left-hand side, and makes it very easy for me to filter and find things that are in my inbox. So I press on social, and it gives me all my social updates, all in a glance. I can see everything that's been coming from my Facebook feed or anything else that I have connected here. I have my favorite people that I can get to really quickly, or get to an individual. I also have newsletters. Because if you're like me, you're getting many of these newsletters every day, sometimes many times a day, and it fills up your inbox. So we've added the capability to sweep these away. So if I go in and select one of these, I get Living Social, use the sweep command, and I can delete them all at once. I can delete all but the latest, and then as they come in, it automatically will update and set it aside for me so I don't have to manage all that content all at once. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these and sweep them away. So Steve was talking about Bing and how Bing powers Windows. And we introduced the search term in Windows 8. And the search term in Windows 8, it could search through a variety of contexts. What we've done in 8.1 is make it the one box that just does it all. It's the place you're going to go for everything. It's like the modern command line to your system. It can bring back results from the web, from your local drive, from the control panel, from apps on your system. It's the one place you go to get to everything you want to do. And with 20 billion searches that were done in the US alone in 1 month, we know it's a way that people like to use their PC. So here I am with all those results. I have my SkyDrive, store, everything that starts with S. I'm going to continue typing, and we're going to go get some results for San Francisco. So this smart search brings back the results from everywhere. So I have the weather, I have maps, I have attractions that are popular and known to be in San Francisco. I have web results with little pictures of the pages that I would get. And so it's a one-stop shop to find out everything I might want to do in the relevance of things in San Francisco. So I'm going to go look at the weather. And as part of the search experience, it just takes me right to the weather. I can look at the city, look at the temperature, and go right back to search. I can go right to a map of the city. I have little stars of things that I've selected here. I'm going to select on a restaurant, Aziza, and built right into the whole search experience is the ability to go look at that restaurant, find the menu, go to Open Table, make a reservation, making it very easy and seamless. Search is not just a list of links, it's things you can do. So I'm going to go over here and search for something else. There's a band playing this week that I've heard of called Fits in the Tantrums. I'll show you another one of these. This is like an app that's been built on the fly for Fits in the Tantrums. It tells me the genre. I can play songs. I can read about it, look at videos, find things on the internet. Just very quickly and simply get that built right up for me. And I can play things right from here. So I'm going to play this song, 6 a.m. So I didn't own that song. That used Xbox Music app to go find the song and play it for me and stream it for me automatically without me having to do anything. Because free music streaming comes with Xbox Music. It's built into Windows 8. So the Xbox Music app has been completely redesigned to focus on playing content. We were focusing on discovery before, but really what you want to do with a music app is you want to go and play. And so it starts from your collection. I also have a new radio feature where I can create playlists and create new stations and enter artists. And they have this one new feature that is so cool. I've never seen it before in any kind of music app. I'll show you how it works. I'm going to go back here to the browser. And this is just a regular music web page. It's just a site on the internet. You guys can go there now and take a look at it. It has the lineup for the Second Wave Festival, and it just lists all the bands that are going to be playing. I can share this site using the charms to the music app. It's going to automatically comb through that website and create a playlist using the streaming music from all those bands. And then when I go back there, I automatically have a playlist all created for me. Pretty cool. OK, so those touch machines, tablets, you are using them, you're touching them all the time. Pretty soon, every screen that you have is going to be touch. And here's this all-in-one. It's a great 27-inch Dell PC touch machine. And we're finding these more and more in public areas of the home. They're in the living room. They're in your kitchen. They're sitting here. And we've made them much more beautiful in Windows 8.1 with a live slideshow of all your pictures. These pictures come from SkyDrive, where your pictures are stored, or from your local hard drive, and they just go with you. They're organized by date. So if your birthday was this week, next year at the same time, pictures from that birthday event are going to show up there. But it's not just sitting around looking beautiful. It's also ready to go at a moment's notice. On the lock screen, Jensen, right on cue. OK, did you see what I did there? I opened it right from the lock screen without being logged in.
Hi, Julie. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you can do that with camera as well. You can just slide down from the top with your tablet and take a picture without logging in.
Yeah, you didn't have to enter a password or a PIN or anything. You just got instant video chat right from the lock screen.
Absolutely. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Log in. OK, start screen. So Steve's talked some about the start screen and all the capabilities of the start screen. And it is designed for all sizes of screen, and it looks great on this big screen. I have all the things that I do every day sitting right here. I have a beautiful background. We've added lots of personalization. I'll show you a couple of things here. I'm going to go to this dragon one, this bright, colorful one, and show you. See how I'm sliding the tiles and the dragon is moving behind there? I'll do one more. So at the robots, now watch on the bottom here as I move and the gears are turning. And you can just customize it to look any way you want. Now, when you install apps from the store, they're going to go into all programs. And we made all programs much easier to get to. It works just like it does on Windows Phone. So as I scroll up to the top, all programs are just right there. Just swipe up and swipe back down. I'll do that again. And when you're in this view, you can filter and sort by a number of different things. You can sort by date installed, by most used, by category, making it easy for me to find all the things that are on my system. So I'm going to go by date installed. And you see the little new that I just recently installed Urban Spoon, and it's ready there for me to go. So I'm going to talk a little bit about SkyDrive and the services that are backed up behind Windows 8. So I talked before about having your photos in the cloud, in SkyDrive, making it easy for you to get your beautiful lock screen. And SkyDrive is where you're going to store all of your documents, your photos, your music, and everything that you want to keep, all the content that you want to keep on your system. We also have a number of other services that come with Windows that roam your content across, that roam your apps across, your settings, your favorites. We also have Outlook, which powers your email, and the Xbox Music and Video service. And they're all available from all of your Windows devices, even your Windows Phone. So I'm going to go here into Pictures, show you a couple new things.